And that what was the last 3-day working.
Tiyula Itum, the ultimate recipe.
Make your own, guys. Look at that.
Look at that.
Tiyula Itum is a traditional dish from the Sulu region in the southern Philippines, especially among the Tausug people. It's often described as a black beef soup or stew, and what makes it unique is its dark color. That color comes from burnt coconut meat, called panglima.
Time to burn!
The ingredient of our beautiful Tiyula Itum.
And that's the one.
We're supposed to use beef, but we love chicken. 800 gram all chicken. But I bought some beautiful cube of Australian beef, 250 gram. We add it on for the flavor.
3 to 4 lemongrass.
Fresh turmeric. Everybody have access to the powder, but if you can, the fresh, it's unbelievable.
6 to 8 garlic cloves and 1 onion.
3 green chilies. The superstar of today, Mr. Coconut.
That preparation is what gives the color of this beautiful soup.
Of course, ginger.
2 thumb size of galangal.
And that's it.
Tiyula Itum is deeply rooted in the culinary traditions of the Tausug, an ethnic group with strong historical ties to maritime trade and Islamic culture. The dish reflects a blend of indigenous Filipino cuisine and influences from neighboring regions like Malaysia and Indonesia, where spices and slow-cooked meats are common. Historically, it was often prepared for special occasions, family gatherings, and communal meals.
Who tell you that was easy and you see those recipes online super simple? It's not true at all. Of course, follow till the end to understand the tips. Took us 3 days because there are some mistakes you need to know and you need to fix it right now. We will fix it for you. We start same way, that means we burn the coconut. Remember, it's not taking 1 hour, it's taking minimum 2 hours.
About the coconut,
Everybody show you need to burn it. After, with the mortar, you mash and that's it. It's not true. The problem looks always that is burn outside but inside is super white. This will not work when you mash it. Took another hour. What we did, we burn it, we wash it as usual, we blend it, and after we put it in the pan and we saute till really burn. Peace. We start with this blender, but not happy about the result. We switched to a coffee grinder. That made the difference. I was looking like the one in the videos. Anyway, first day was gone just doing the coconut base. That is the base of our Tiyula Itum soup. First, burn your coconut. It will take 1 hour, that's for sure. Minimum 1 hour. Second, wash it. That's no secret, and all the recipes are the same. Cut into smaller pieces. Blend everything with the first mix of spices and put it back on the fire. Brown all the mix.
This is our sinuyog lahing or burnt coconut.
You can charcoal grill, you can burn how we do it, you can put in the stove like a lot of videos are doing, but it will take minimum 2 hours. After came the meat, that means to say, saute your veg, put your meat, put your water, half an hour and done. No, true. Another thing, your meat need to rest overnight. No 1 hour, not 2 hour, minimum overnight. Need to absorb all the coconut, the galangal, the turmeric and all the flavors. What we did even more, we put in vacuum pack to suck all the air outside and preserve all the juice of the meat. And came beautiful. Saute your veg in a little bit of oil, brown your meat, add your water, add a little bit more of your coconut and let it go, but not half an hour or minimum 1 hour. In half an hour your meat will be chewy and horrible, impossible to eat, and your broth not ready for it. If you do it in a pot, I believe you need a minimum of 3-4 hours. Otherwise, what we did, we pass everything to a pressure cooker And we did it in 30 minutes. And that's it, guys. For the broth, two things. Or you leave it like this, it's a little bit loose, or you can strain it and blend it. But you know, to be traditional, we keep it like that. Unbelievable anyway. A piece. Tiyula Itum is a special, really famous dish from the Tausug people in southern of Philippines, particularly in Sulu archipelago. It's very particular in terms of flavor respect of all the Filipino dishes. Combining of course spicy like turmeric, like lemongrass, like ginger. Not sour at all. Not easy at all, but we did it. Traditional, historical, that mix all those influence and the cultural expression of this ethnic. The name means black soup, coming from the color of this beautiful dish that is black, of course, like the burnt coconut is used as a main ingredient. And time to test it. Finally, after 3 days, we test this beauty. And I will say to those guys that say that in 1 hour everything is done, just one thing. Please.
Time for tasting.
And look at that. Unbelievable result. Nice, juicy, black.
Super tender meat.
Unbelievable. 3 days working. Oily, black, gingery. Let's go ahead. Very tasty. No coconut at all. Trimming thanks of ginger, lemongrass, turmeric. Super particular. Unbelievable soup. 3 day working.
Something to try.
Don't trust the other video. Make it that, guys. If you want. Otherwise, let's go to Mindanao. And that's it.
And that's it. It fully tastes like tinola.
Very nice, guys. Look at that. It's black, but it's super nice.
That's the one. Make your own. See you next time. Comment below, guys. If you can make the one, take 3 days.
And don't forget your rice. And that's it.
And that's it.